Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57 and today I have a very short video for you guys just to swatching these three brand new gels from Yayoge. Beautiful shimmery gels. Just wait until you see it. Now I'm just showing you here how you can expect the packaging. They do come in their individual boxes. So this is what the bottles look like, and each one is labeled with a number rather than a name. So this first one that I'm going to show you is 002, a beautiful gold. Look at this shimmery glitter. So it's that smooth shimmer glitter, nothing chunky. So it goes on nice and smooth on all three colors. I'm going to leave you here with the rest of the video. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I do have a 15% discount code. If you go to their website, you just type in NAQ57 for a 15% off. I will have that at the bottom of the screen as well as down in the description bar. I would like to thank Yayoge for sending me these beautiful gels to play with and review. Remember to give my video a thumbs up. Like I said, I'll leave you with the rest of the short video and stay until the end so you can see a design that I did with all three of these colors. Thank you for watching.